day, guys. It's Wednesday, hump day. What have we got on the menu tonight? Well, I tried to get a special, but you have to pay full price. Yes, we got porterhouse. Got a Tommy tomato, avocado, and big Gertz. Now, this sweet Memphis rub. This one. Squeeze the cheese out of the can. Try that. Now, we're going to put that. And a bit of bacon, a bit of onion.
That's a pretty good steak sandwich.
So, yeah, steak sandwich, guys.
You might get number one in Riverina steak sandwich.
Let's see what happens.
Big Rabs has put it out there.
Stick around and see how she goes.
Oh god. What are you doing, Milo? What do you got there, brother?
I'll tell you what, it's time to put a big steak on. I'll tell you what, guys, nearly got this for like $6. I'll tell you the hacks.
Tell you what, Milo, you look a bit sharp today. You've had a trim and everything. A bit sharp. Really big mo. So this is for a steak sandwich, is that right? That looks like Wagyu. No, Wagyu. Yep, she's just simmering away. It's not too hot yet. We're going to lower it.
G'day guys, look, we're at the top. Steak has been in there for about 4 minutes.
Colour of it.
I like nice beef.
Beautiful, isn't it? Ooh, colour that.
Let's see. Hey guys, oh Kevin man, he's got a big size. He knows what it's getting.
Good to have a good phone, I suppose, isn't it?
Hey, big loaf, guys. Right, let's cut it.
Ooh, it's really good steak sandwich. This is a mega steak sandwich. This one is mega. The big mega. The big mega. Tell you what, the old tripod goes right, doesn't he? Look at that big bastard. What a ripper. Oh, there we go, guys.
We are close. The big unveil.
Big steak sandwich.
I'll shake ya!
What are you going to do?
Fresh laid there.
Oh, they were chopped. What, you just laid it there?
I'll get it.
How fresh is that? Straight out of it.
Fresher than this.
Oh, straight out and onto the... Mate, you don't get fresher than that out of you. You don't get fresher than that. Look at that fruit.
Big steak.
Woo! What do we got?
Yes, nice sharp. I can cut myself. I can shank it.
That's what I get for saying I'm going to shake it. Hi guys. Let's
Got
have
your
a
back,
look
didn't
at avocado. Bang, like that. Now, wheat pro grilled tomato. Just like that. Onion. Bacon. Just like that. Tell you what, guys.
The old egg. Look at the big size of the yolk on that bastard. That's what we call a good egg. Straight out of
Guys,
the
he
chook.
goes like flip it, but like
Straight out of the chook. Oh, mate.
and the egg on top. Guys,
You big good?
and guys, without a steak sandwich, you have to have the root. The big beet root. Now, I'm just going to the old egg on top. We're going to toast it.
Oh, look at the yolk. Oh, look at that, guys. That's what you call a steak SANGA. Fresh as they come,
Right,
guys.
ladies and gentlemen. The
Fresh as
old steak singer. You all wanted it. Look at that.
Fresh as they come.
Look at that.
Straight on the coals.
Straight on the coals. Whoop, whoop. I'm happy.
Shanked you with that.
No, I got shanked. The cheesy squeeze I forgot about. 10 tops.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Cheddar. Whoop.